Now to the latest on the coronavirus and the Omicron variant. New York City is battling the worst COVID wave in a year, and the Bronx tops all of the boroughs in positivity rates.
In some neighborhoods, the rate is near 50%. CBS 2's Natalie Duddridge is live in the Foxhurst section of the Bronx with more. Natalie?
Well, Chris and Mary, in response to this surging number of cases here in the Bronx, this rapid testing tent was just set up here. There is a shortage of testing here in the neighborhood, in this community. It's set up along Southern Boulevard and Westchester Avenue. And these people, they say they are so eager to get a result, they will wait for hours in the rain.
You wake up and go to the testing sites early. Get there ASAP.
Ronnie Reed tested positive for COVID 2 weeks ago. Now he's testing to get back to work.
My job requires me to be, to not only be vaccinated, but to also have a negative test.
But it's been challenging for Reed to find a test, let alone wait for one.
There are hundreds of people online waiting for hours.
That's why this South Bronx council member set up a tent outside his office on Southern Boulevard.
I'm trying to make this a permanent site until the COVID numbers decrease. Unfortunately, the Bronx has always led on things that are not good when it comes to health disparities.
The Bronx tops all the boroughs with a 27% positivity rate. And in the Fordham, Kingsbridge, and University Heights sections, that rate is close to 50%. With the surge, community members and advocates are pushing for more testing in schools. Mayor Eric Adams said this morning his plan A is for classes to remain in person.
We put 1.5 million tests in our schools so we can identify the child that has COVID and ensure that the rest of the classroom is not infected at the same time.
But many tell us they're still confused over whether they should get a PCR or rapid test. This infectious disease specialist addressed that question on CBS Mornings.
With the PCR test, that's really a test to determine, do you have COVID? Are your symptoms from COVID? You had a high exposure. Do you now have COVID? The antigen tests are really to determine, are you infectious or contagious to other people? And so you're trying to answer slightly different questions with each of those tests.
Important questions to answer to get people back to work. Mayor Adams says New York City must stay open in order for millions of people to be able to work and pay their rent. Now, back out here live, we have seen several people test positive. They say they wish they could have done the test at home instead. President Biden has promised a mail-out program of 500 million rapid at-home tests for those who request them on a federal website, but there is still no word yet on when that will be. Now, as for this site here, this remains open today through Sunday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. We're live in the Foxhurst section of the Bronx. Natalie Duddridge, CBS 2 News.
Okay, Natalie, thank you.